make a classic dry martini with gin, you will need 5 mils or a bar spoon of dry vermouth. Keep it in the fridge, not the freezer, because it will freeze over. We're using Dolin Dry. 60 ml of chilled gin, preferably kept in the freezer, or you can use vodka if you like. We're using Gin Mare. An icy cold mixing glass, a chilled martini glass, a jigger, a julep strainer, some good ice, and some olives to garnish. Add the vermouth to your chilled mixing glass, and then add the gin straight from the freezer. Put as much ice as you can fit in the mixing glass and stir it by putting the back of your bar spoon against the inside of the mixing glass and pushing the ice around. Once you've achieved your desired level of dilution, perfect. Use your julep strainer to hold back the ice and pour it into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with olives on a skewer. Classic dry gin martini with olives. So now you know.